Just like human skin, leather has pores that need to breathe and be regularly moisturized. Regular cleaning and conditioning of your leather will significantly extend its lifespan. This 1-2 clean and condition punch combo works as a system, and it's what's needed to effectively care for your leather handbag. And in this video, we'll show you how to do just that. Here are the materials you'll need. 1. Ready-to-use foam cleaner. 2. Delicate's cleaning brush. 3. Premium microfiber towel. 4. Premium leather balm. A side note, all of the tools above are included in our leather care kit. With that, let's get started. Begin by emptying the contents of your bag. Then, using the Delicate's cleaning brush, dry brush the entire exterior and interior of your bag. This will help remove any top layer dust and dirt. Next, apply a liberal amount of ready-to-use foam cleaner onto the bristles of your Delicate's cleaning brush. And begin scrubbing using a circular motion and light pressure. Then use your premium microfiber towel to simply wipe clean. Repeat these steps as necessary. Now that the leather is clean, its pores are ready to accept a good serving of our premium leather balm. Applying our high-quality leather balm will nourish and protect the leather from the elements. Use the enclosed applicator sponge to apply a thin and even layer over the entire surface using a circular motion. Rub in thoroughly, including all seams. Allow the leather to sit and absorb the balm for at least 30 minutes. Then wipe any excess balm from the leather using your premium microfiber towel. You'll want to repeat this process every 3 months or as needed. Regular cleaning and conditioning are essential to ensure your leather goods age gracefully and develop a unique character over time. A couple of notes before we wrap up. 1. We do not recommend cleaning raw, unsealed leather, such as vegetable tanned leather. When wet, it will permanently darken the material. Always test in an inconspicuous area first. 2. You may find it helpful to clean your handbag sections at a time, working your way around the bag until the entire bag is clean.